That support against the wall of the garage. This is the long section here. That's the chlorine pellets just going around the circle. Two more supports on this side. This is the inlet hose. See, he didn't cut into the liner whatsoever, he just run it across over the top. And the water just circulates right around the pool. See, he's got some screw nails holding it each pallet while he was constructing. See, even on the ends it's starting to split a little bit, meaning it's pushing apart. Right here it's nice and tight, and I'll walk around. More support at the end, and a lot more in the middle here. You know, the full length of it. See, this split is quite a bit. You have to put more. And if you look here, you can see it just a bit bowed out. So support here, probably about 4 or 5 supports on each side. Yeah, this side isn't splitting. Well, come to the end. There's a split here. And this one. It seems up against the garage, it's holding quite good. More sturdier than the other side. You can't even shake these. I estimated this at about 43 tons of water in here. And I'll get you how many gallons. They spent about 22 hours with a garden hose filling this up. They filled it halfway to see what would happen, and they just kept filling it. As you can see, there's no leaks in the liner. The ground is dry. Yeah, you can see that bow right there. Yeah, the ground is dry, and this is the low part of the yard right here. But like I said, this is a nice feature. Go up and over for your pumps, not to go through the liner. Okay, we're going to have a closer look at the ratchet straps. That's where it's joining here, and then this one here goes to the other side, and this one continues, and he's got a plate with a bolt. And you got 3 ratchet straps here. And then if I walk around,
You know, when I was
the bottom ain't going anywhere.
When I was
And
researching
this ain't
them,
going anywhere.
when I was researching them,
Yeah.
they're all round.
What's round?
Pallet
I know.
holes.
I know. That's
This
why.
is your weak spot right here.
I know.
Oh,
That's why I wanted a round one, but the one that I found was 24 feet, and it was too big.
Okay. Because the ones that we've seen with
I knew this was the
side,
problem spot. Was the straight
Yeah.
stretch?
Well, I see that 2x4 up against the wall's got a little bit of tension on it.
Yeah. I straightened that wall out, but I was too late with this one.
Oh,
So I might jack
That's what
it.
I was telling
Might
Cindy
jack it
is-
straight and rebrace it.
we're standing
Ugh.
here.
I don't want to be standing there.
Not going anywhere.
As I was explaining to
There's where I
Sherry,
mucked up.
Oh, okay, I didn't see that. Okay. Would there be enough room to do here or no?
nope.
Like
This-
that way?
Like this?
Down this way. There's not enough room?
No. Too
Oh,
much of
then
an
you'd
angle.
probably-
That's why I went to the wall.
Got it. So you probably have to have some kind of angularity and bolt it down or something.
yeah, the water temperature is 20.